All right, it's time for a daily market recap where we go over the levels that you need to watch out for that's going to help make trading a little bit easier for you. So the markets ran up pretty bullish today and we hit a huge call option wall. So we look here, we can see that 693 area was a massive resistance when it comes to calls, and that's exactly what we hit up into. So ran up into this area, pulled back down really hard. This is extremely weak. So we're getting some bigger volume building through here, and it closed pretty close to its lows, which tells me quite a bit, right? The bulls did not step back in. This is a good buying spot and no one showed up. So what happens from now? Now I'm looking at around 688 to 686. I don't believe that all of a sudden we're just going to fall off a cliff. It can happen. But for the most part, I think we're going to come back down and visit some more bull areas. And that's going to bring this box into play. Bulls should be here. If we get into this area, expect bulls to bounce. If we get in this area and we don't bounce, that's where we open up a lot more heavier selling because everybody's loading in at an all-time high. Everybody's starting to bounce, being like, hey, we're going straight to the moon. And if it pulls the rug out, this is where we get some pretty steep selling. We've seen that multiple times when we've made these previous highs. They pull the rug out. Could this be kind of following suit? Maybe. Time will tell. But the first place to look out for, 686 to 684. See if the bulls come. If they do, we should be pushing a new all-time high. How we close up in those areas is going to determine everything, though. If it can close strong, we should be pushing into 700. That is the overall goal here. Now, if we're looking over here at the Qs, we had that inside candle that we talked about a few days ago. We broke out strong. Continue to push higher, hit this resistance. Simple, right? Profits were taken. I would expect a retest back into some EMAs, back into the retest of the high of that inside candle, and bulls to be there to continue to push us higher. So if the bulls don't step in, again, 600 is going to be a pretty easy target for the bears to get to. I think bulls should step back through here around 620 and continue to push us higher. I would expect the Qs to be making an all-time high here soon-ish. So it all depends, though, if these bulls do it. Again, our job is not to predict. Our job is to understand the areas of what to watch for and then just simply see if the bulls do their job or if the bears do their job. This is where the bulls should be. Let's see if they step back in and push it on through. Now let's look at IWM real fast. So IWM is actually holding strong when everything else is starting to get a little bit weaker. So that could potentially mean that more strength is going to be coming into the markets here soon on the other spot and Qs. Now, again, a pullback a little bit more wouldn't be shocker, but we did get a nice buying lower wick coming through at the end of today. And so with that being said, I would imagine a new all-time high on IWM happening soon. The line in the sand right now, 246 for IWM, that's got to hold. If that holds, we should continue. If that breaks, we're going to see a lot of selling. And so those are the levels that I'm watching for. I expect a little bit more selling, and then we're going to see if these bulls will step in. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.